Stop Googling things. No, seriously, the Google we've used for the last 25 years is officially dead. We are moving from a world of search results to a world of instant answers. Google just dropped a series of updates that turn your phone from a tool into a literal second brain. Today, we're breaking down the massive shift to Gemini, the new AI-powered search, and a feature that might just save you from scammers forever. Let's dive in. First up, AI overviews. You've probably seen them popping up. Instead of clicking through 5 different websites to find a recipe or a tech fix, Google now does the reading for you. It synthesizes the entire web into one concise paragraph. But here's the kicker, it's not just text anymore. You can now ask follow-up questions like you're chatting with a friend. Is this the end of traditional websites? We'll see. But for the user, it's a massive time saver. But the real magic is Project Astra. This is Google's vision for the future of AI, which means it can see, hear, and remember. Imagine pointing your camera at a broken bike chain and asking, "What's wrong here?" The AI identifies the part, explains the fix, and even tells you where you left your wrench 5 minutes ago. It's real-time, zero-latency interaction that feels like something out of a sci-fi movie. Google is also baking AI into everything you already use. Gemini 1.5 Pro now has a massive context window. Google is no longer a search engine. It's an AI agent. It plans your trips, organizes your emails, and watches your back. But with all this power, the question remains, are we ready to give an AI this much access to our daily lives? Let me know in the comments, are you excited about these updates or a little bit creeped out? If you want to stay ahead of the curve in this AI race, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. I'm AI Kido, and I'll see you in the next one.